What's going on, everybody? Today we are at Planet Hollywood, gonna do a room tour of the ultra hip strip view suite in room 2553. Let's check it out. So coming into the suite, this is your entryway. To the left you've got a photo here, nice lady looking cool. To the right side you have your living room area. As you can see, the homies is over here chilling, but here is a couch, got a sectional couch. It's a light back there in the corner, I'm not sure why it's not on, but you also have another light here as well, if I can get in focus. And then here's your flat screen wall mounted TV. Over here you just have some storage space going all the way across, so if you need to store things under there, you have the option to do so. As we make our way toward the bedroom area, this is your closet. So you've got your ironing board, there we go. You got your ironing board, and up here you have an in-room safe. So if you need to lock up your valuables, you have the space to do so. Around here on this side, excuse me, you got a dining table for two. So as you see, you've got two chairs here. Then over here you have your mini fridge under below, so if you need to keep your drinks cool, you get an empty mini refrigerator. Right above you got your ice bucket. And then coming into the bedroom, there we go. I don't know what's up with this focus. This focus been playing around. Here's your bed. So you got a nice king size bed with the Planet Hollywood signature decor above, and then across from the bed is your flat screen TV as well. And then you also have some more drawers, so you've got plenty of storage space throughout the suite. So we'll check out the view here before I go into the bathroom. So as you see, it is a strip view, so you get a really nice view. You can see the Bellagio fountains, and then over there is Marquee, and then down below you can see the hotel pools. So moving on into the bathroom, you got a very nice bathroom. This bathroom is dope. So first thing you come into is your standing shower. So you've got a nice standing shower here, plenty of space. And in the middle of everything, you have a soaking tub, very nice round spacious soaking tub, so you can kick back, chill, and relax. And then you have his and hers sinks with the backlit mirrors above, and you can also see the strip from the bathroom. Now, I know I got a bunch of lighting in here, but the views carry from the bedroom on into the bathroom. And then as you move around this huge bathroom, look at the accent. See, Planet Hollywood got the vibe nice. As you move behind this door, this is your toilet. So you have a private toilet here, and that's your bathroom. So very nice bathroom, very nice suite. And that's gonna do it for this video. If you all enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button. Subscribe if you're new. Thanks for watching.